You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian originally. If you want to learn more Italian, more food names, cooking names from Italy, make sure to stay tuned, alright? So this means this is a steak in Italian, and it's pronounced in Italy bistecca. Bis, just like it's spelled really, bistecca. Because you have double C, well, first it's pronounced like a K because it's before an A. And because you have double C, you want to stress on that syllable and emphasize on the K sound, bistecca. The English pronunciation, bistecca. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.